guys, it's Mrs. Stickle here, and I'm so excited to teach second grade this lesson. We are doing lesson 3 today about shapes, and I have Caroline here with me who's going to help us. So our I can statement today, mirror me,
mirror you,
I can
use
attributes
attributes
to draw
different polygons.
Good job. So let's review this for a second. If I drew, let's say something like this, would you call this a polygon? No, it's not a polygon because it has this curved line. Yeah, that curved line. What if I drew something like that? Could we call that a polygon? Yes, because it has straight lines and it has, what is it called when these lines come together? When two lines come together, Caroline?
Angles.
It is called an angle. Good job. So when we have lines that come together, it makes an angle. So a polygon is when we have more than 3 lines and angles. Good job. That's the definition of a polygon. So today, you guys get to do this work with us. So right now, I'm going to give you a second to go get a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, so go get that right now. Yeah, good job. Okay, and when you come back, what we're going to do is you are going to take your paper and you're going to fold it twice. And after you fold it twice, it's going to look like Caroline's paper here. Good job. Go ahead and open up your paper, Caroline. Show them what it will look like. Perfect. And you're going to have 4 equal sections on your paper. And the great part about this is you're going to use these straight edges of your paper to draw your different polygons. Okay? So in your first section right now, your first polygon, are you ready for it? Is going to have 4 lines and 4 angles. So right now, think of a polygon. What would your shape say if it had 4 lines and 4 angles? Okay, Caroline? There's a couple different shapes that would have 4 lines and 4 angles. Okay, draw your polygon right now. All right. When you're finished, I have an example of my polygon. Here's what my polygon looked like. Yeah, I have 2 sets of parallel lines that would go on and on forever and never touch for mine. And then I have 2 other sets of parallel lines that would go on and on forever and never touch. What do you have, Caroline, for yours?
I have a rectangle.
So what does your shape say?
I'm a rectangle. I have 4 sides and 4 angles.
Great! Her shape is a rectangle. So hers,
And then I have a polygram.
looks like this. I should make hers like this. So maybe you drew something that looks like this.
There's 2 more.
Oh, 2 more? Yeah. Tell me, Caroline, what would your shape say?
Square.
It could be a square, so it could have 4 equal sides. Yeah. It could be a parallelogram. But no matter what you drew, you definitely drew a yeah, you definitely drew a quadrilateral because the word quad that word part means what?
4.
4. It means 4. Great job. Okay, let's go over to the next section of your paper. And on this section, are you ready? I would like for you to draw a polygon that has 5 sides and 5 angles. Try again, it's okay. Okay, 5 sides and 5 angles. 5. Okay. All right. While Caroline is working on hers and you are drawing yours, I'm going to show you what mine looked like. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, Caroline, what does my shape say? Caroline, what does my shape say?
You are a pentagon.
I am a pentagon.
You have 5 sides and 5 angles.
I sure do. So your pentagon might look like mine, and it might look a little bit different. And you might remember from the song that Caroline and I sang a few days ago that a pentagon sometimes kind of looks like a tent at the top too. So we joked and we called it a tentagon. Didn't we? I did, yeah. So that's an easy way to remember pentagon. Tentagon has 5 sides. Okay, Caroline, what does yours look like?
Mine was a pentagon too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love Caroline's. Caroline's looks like a house. Yeah, it sure does. But it's definitely still a pentagon. It is great. Good. Oh, I can't wait to see what yours looks like too. I hope that you post a picture for us. Okay, your third section, ready? Your third section, are you ready? Is going to have 3 sides and what?
3 angles.
Yeah, 3 angles. Yeah, it has to have the same number of sides and the same number of angles for it to be a polygon. Okay, go ahead, Caroline. What's yours gonna look like? Make sure if you want to, you can use that straight edge of your paper too. Okay. Let's see. 3, 3, 3. I'm trying to think of what prefix would mean 3. Would it be bi? No. Bi means 2, like a bicycle. Has 2 wheels. There's my picture of 1, 2, 3. All right, Caroline, come over here. I'm wondering if maybe yours might even look like that. All right, Caroline, let's see.
I have 3 triangles.
Ah! Oh, you even told us the name. So, what does your shape say?
I'm a triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 angles.
You are. So
My sides are not always equal.
Oh, your sides are not always equal for a triangle. Yeah. So that prefix tri means what?
3.
3. Yeah. So like a tricycle
Trace.
has 3 wheels, right? So you could remember it like that. Great. So your triangle probably looks different because your sides do not always have to be equal, correct? Great job. Okay, let's do our last section of our paper. And on this one, I want you to draw a polygon with
6 sides and 6 angles.
6. Sometimes this gets tricky. 6, but I know you can do it. For the last one, 6 sides and angles, you guys. All right. 6 sides and 6 angles. While you are working on yours, I'm going to show you a little bit of what mine looks like. When I draw mine, I always like to start with my 2 sets of parallel lines here. I like to do my 2 sides here, and then another 2 sides. That makes it easier for me. Can I see yours?
Mine looks like yours.
Oh my gosh, it does. It's hard to see because hers is in pencil, but you've been working hard on yours, Caroline, to make yours better. Okay, Caroline, what does your shape say?
I am a hexagon.
A hexagon.
I have 6 sides and 6 angles. I also have 3 sets of parallel lines.
3 sets of parallel lines. So for a hexagon, here is a set that goes on and on forever and would never touch. Here is a set, and here is a set. Dun, 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 dun. Hexagon. What does hex mean?
6.
6, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Cannot wait to see what your hexagon would look like also. Great. So for your problem set today, for your work, you get to also use a straight edge and draw your own polygons again also. Then you get to tell us how many angles you have and how many sides you have for your work.
Now you can see it a little bit.
Yeah, you do. Great job. So make sure that you post your work to Seesaw or send a picture to your teacher, and we cannot wait to see what your work looks like. Good job, guys.